I've once been told traveling heals the soul. That all we have to do is break our chains and live the moment. So do not be afraid of new things. Because if you stay always at home, you cannot live and feel your soul. To sustain your heart, you need to feed it with the beauties this earth has to offer. You have to elevate yourself so you can make your life worth living it. Life fades away very quickly, and all you can do is leave a mark that will echo for eternity. Always remember to build a story that can be transmitted from one generation to another. And when you are finally gone, hope that the ones that remain will always try to follow your steps and remember you as the one that inspired them.